If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can also directly open a Camera Raw image from within the photo editor in Photoshop Elements for processing. To do this, open the photo editor within Photoshop Elements. Then select File, Open in Camera Raw from the menu bar to launch an Open dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate to and then select the Camera Raw file you want to open for processing. Then click the Open button in the Open dialog box to open the selected Camera Raw image within the Camera Raw dialog box in the photo editor window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.